Hello guys, is Elijah Gaming 85 here, and welcome finally back to another animatronic world on Roblox. And today I'm gonna be playing as all of the Five Nights at Freddy's 6 animatronics, starting with the Rockstar Assemble animatronics, which are the Rockstar animatronics. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take each section of FNAF 6 animatronics and I'm gonna pile them up into one. Like, as of right now, I'm playing as Rockstar Freddy, and later I'm gonna play as Rockstar Bonnie, Rockstar Chica, Rockstar Foxy, and Lefty. I'm gonna do the same with all the other animatronics, but then, separate ones are gonna be Candy Cadet, Security Puppet, Helpy, Rockstar Mangle, and Righty. I think these two are fan-made because they never made a Rockstar Mangle or a Righty, but I'm still gonna play as those characters. But then, I'm also gonna play as the Scrap Animatronics, Posh Pizzeria, Mediocre Melodies, and the Trash Gang, or Trash in the Gang. So, yeah. And of course, all these animatronics are from FNAF 6 Pizzeria Simulator. I don't know if Animatronic World made any animatronics from Secret of the Mimic. I don't know if they did that yet. But I'm gonna wait. Oh, whoops. I accidentally erased Rockstar Freddy. Let's go to Fredbear's Family Diner. Alright. Nothing here, obviously. Is there any fast coins? Please deposit 5 coins. Oh look, we have the man in the yellow suit. Which is obviously William Afton or Springtrap, the Yellow Rabbit. Then we have Scott Cawthon, aka Anim Dude. And because Lefty is also a part of the Scrap Animatronics, I'm gonna have to play as Lefty not once, but twice. Even though Lefty is actually a costume, because it has been confirmed that the puppet is actually inside of Lefty. So, Lefty's pretty much a costume. Even though he is an animatronic, he's half animatronic, half costume. And there was a soul inside of the puppet. Her name was Charlie, which is basically the mother of the Afton family. So basically, Charlie was the one who brought all those children back to life. Alright, I'm done with Rockstar Freddy. Let's play as Rockstar Bonnie. He was pretty cool, though. They should have made a feature where he has his guitar, even though you could literally go to the inventory and select a guitar. Alright, there's handicap spots. Let's go to the Pizzaplex. We haven't went here in a long time. It's been so long since I've last been in here. pretty cool. I miss Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. And then there's the party check-in. And look, we have the main show stage, where Glamrock Freddy, Glamrock Chica, Monty, and Roxy will be there to perform. Let's go down here. Keep clear. Oh. These doors actually close by themselves. Let's go in here, I guess. Alright, let's stop right here. Alright, next Rockstar. Rockstar Chica. And of course, her bib, it says, "Let's rock." Of course, and she doesn't have a cupcake. There is no Rockstar cupcake. She does play an instrument. She plays maracas. Is this supposed to be a maze of some sort? Okay, we have a forklift. It was already too late, because Freddy was already forklift certified. I'm also forklift certified, because I've been on this forklift before when I played this game. Restricted area. No unauthorized vehicles or personnel beyond this point. So I can't go in here. But can I go in here? Oh, yes I can. Alright, next Rockstar is Rockstar Foxy. There's the old FNAF show stage. And of course, he's not alone. He has his parrot. His little bird. And he also has that wooden leg. He's basically a real pirate. And of course, just like any other Foxy, you can open his eye patch. It's pretty cool. Wait. What is this? Oh, we're at Roxy's Raceway. And of course we have the racetrack. It's pretty cool. Wait, what? The famous Glamrock Beauty Station. Okay. And then there's restrooms. Well, I'm in the racetrack now. And of course there's the stands, you know, first place, second place, third place, you know. Go to the auditorium. Then there's Rossi's Raceway. Now I'm at Fazer Blast. Alright. And last Rockstar. Lefty. Lefty the Bear. Let's go in here. Alright. And of course we have one of those staff bots. There's a red team and a green team. I'm gonna just go in here. And of course, this is awesome. This is cool. Very cool looking maze. Wait, what's over here? Oh yeah, this is awesome. Why does it look like an actual space universe? And of course there's Saturn over here. Okay, I know this computer dude. I've recognized him. I can't remember his name, but he was from Freddy in Space. He was from Freddy in Space 2, I think. Yeah, Freddy in Space. Where you would have to play as the animatronics. You would also have Glamrock Freddy in there. I think the computer name was Hex, something like that. His name is Hex. I don't know if it is, but I don't know. Where should we go to? Let's go to here. Let's go over here. And another idea. Let's go to that secret passage. I think I remember where it is. I'm not sure if I remember correctly, but I do remember what that secret passage was. Where it would say, connection terminated. Wait, no, that's the manager's office. Nope, not in here. Wait, that's a pirate ship. And then there's Funtime Foxy's curtain. Actually, no, that's Foxy's curtain. It's just a private room with a broken arcade game with it. Oh wait, I'm stuck. Never mind. Where is it? Trying to figure out the secret passage. That's the curtain. It's hard to find when you don't remember it. Oh, it's down here. It's down here by the manager's office. The floor is actually a trapdoor, so yeah. And then there's the ending where you can trigger it. It'll say connection terminated. I don't know if we can close this door from here. Oh, yes, you can. So this is actually a trapdoor. If it's closed on you, you're probably trapped, but I don't know if I'm trapped. Can I close it? I don't know if I can close this. I don't know, I'll just leave it open. Well, I guess I'll just end the video right here. Let me know in the comments if you want some more FNAF animatronics and stuff like that. The next one I'm gonna play are the mediocre melodies. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.